Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to create a Gohighlevel account. First, go to the Gohighlevel website and click on the 14-day free trial button. Next, fill in your personal details, including your full name, email address, and mobile number. After that, enter your credit or debit card details. This is required for the free trial and to facilitate a smooth transition if you continue after the trial. Then review your information, check the box to agree to Gohighlevel's terms of service and privacy policy, and finally click on Start your 14-day free trial. And that's it. Your Gohighlevel account is now ready to explore. Take time to familiarize yourself with the platform and try out its marketing, sales, and operations tools. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.